Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a super practical skill that I promise will save you a ton of time, whether you're checking attendance, managing a project, or organizing any kind of data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly and easily search for your name or any name really across all the different sheets in a Google Sheets workbook. You won't need to scroll endlessly or click through tabs to hunt down what you need. So let's dive right in. First up, let's set the scene. Imagine you've got a Google Sheets file with a bunch of different tabs, maybe one for each month or each class period or each project partner. Now, if you want to find a specific name like yours or a colleague, it could be hidden anywhere. Rather than searching sheet by sheet manually, there's a much faster way. Alright, the first and easiest step is to press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+Shift+H. This might sound simple, but it's an incredibly powerful shortcut because it opens up what's called the Find and Replace window. A quick tip here. This shortcut works whether you're in a cell on a blank part of the sheet or even if you're in the middle of editing something else. It's a universal search and find button, and once you get in the habit of using it, you'll realize how much time it saves. Now in this new Find and Replace window that pops up, you'll see a field labeled Find. Go ahead and type the exact name or word you're looking for. Let's say you're searching for your own name, just enter it as you expect it to appear in your sheets. This might sound obvious, but make sure you spell it exactly how it appears in your data. Even an extra space or missing letter can throw the search off. If you're not sure about capitalization or want to be a little broader, you don't need to worry. Google Sheets is pretty flexible with matching the text. Next, and this is really important if you're working with multiple sheets, take a look at the search section in the same window. By default, Google Sheets usually searches just the one sheet you're currently viewing, but we're looking for something across the entire workbook, right? So click into the search dropdown and select all sheets. This swaps the search from just your current sheet to every single tab in your file. It's like searching the whole library instead of just one book. If you skip this step, you might miss where your name appears in other sheets, so don't forget it. Once you've selected all sheets, go ahead and click the Find button just below. This is the moment of truth. Google Sheets will start looking for your name everywhere in your file. If your name appears somewhere, it'll take you right to it, and if there are multiple results, you can keep clicking Find to jump to the next one. Take your time here. Sometimes, especially in big files, it might take a moment for Sheets to scan everything. If you don't see a result right away, don't worry. Double-check the spelling or try searching for just a part of the name. Sometimes data gets entered with slight differences, but this method should help you track things down much more efficiently than hunting through sheets manually. And that's it. With just these few steps, you can instantly search for any name across all your Google Sheets tabs in seconds. No more endless scrolling or clicking, just quick, accurate results. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want more tricks for mastering Google Sheets? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials right here. See you in the next video.